Hello. So my name is Bryce Tubbs. If you think that you could achieve more, watch this video. Okay? So in my opinion, the number one way for you to achieve more is to one, I would put a zero on the end of whatever goal that you have. If your goal is to help 10 people, go put 100. If your goal is to make, $10,000, go put an extra zero on that. Okay? The reason why But let me take a step back. So once you add that zero, you need to do the math to see how much extra work you need to do in order to hit that goal. Extremely important, okay? I cannot stress this enough. Because if you're just having, like a dream without any kind of mathematics, even if the math is wrong, okay, I'd rather you have some sort of math that is wrong and you can adjust while you're going towards the goal than if you just said, I want to go make $1,000,000 and never actually made a plan or thought about how you'd actually go about doing that. Okay? Incredibly important. For example, I wanted to go make 100K. I was making $10,000 at the time per month. So I want to go make $100,000 in sales per month, right? So the reason why was because my original goal was to make 10,000 per month. And I wasn't coming close. And I was like, okay, cool. So I'm not coming close. That means that, the things I'm doing now is not enough to go reach my goal, right? So if I was going to go approach 100,000, how much more would I actually have to do? And it wasn't until then I said, okay, here's what I'm currently doing. Now, if I want to go and apply that to make 100,000 in sales in a month, I have to actually do this, and this. And it allowed me to go and just take myself out. And making $10,000 in sales in a month was incredibly easy. Okay, we got up to 20,000 in sales, and we had to stop because the process I was doing was bad, because the formula that I was originally doing was incorrect. But since I had the math, I was well on my way to being able to do that. It's the same thing with you in your business and in your life. If your goal is to go impact 100 people, or if your goal is to impact 10 people right now, right? Add a zero to it and see exactly how much more stuff you would have to do to go hit that 100. And then see if that's going to be worth it for you. For some people, it's going to be very worth it because you may not have to do much more work than what you're already doing, but the actions that you take to go get those clients are going to be a lot different. Okay, if that's what you're searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where I can walk you through step by step how to go reach what you want. If that's what you're searching for, go join that group. Have a great day.